welcome to my channel, Krrish&Abhi. Let's learn something new together. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. In this video, you will learn about COVID-19. COVID-19 is a new disease. Its name includes the virus that causes it. COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. It's a respiratory illness. That means it involves the nose, mouth, throat, and lungs. COVID-19 can easily spread from person to person. You must heard about pandemic. Do you know what's pandemic? I'm gonna talk about it. In March 2020, the World Health Organization called COVID-19 a pandemic. A pandemic happens when a disease spreads across much of the world. A pandemic affects many people. Countries are working together to help stop the spread of this disease. Let's talk about symptoms. A person with COVID-19 may have a cough, fever, or shortness of breath. Symptoms may also include chills, headaches, a sore throat, or muscle pain. Older people may be at a greater risk. People with other health conditions could have a greater risk too. There is still much to learn about the disease. Now I'm going to talk about protect yourself and others. Because COVID-19 spreads easily, it's best to stay home when possible. It's important to stop germs from spreading. Wash your hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. Avoid touching your face. Cover your cough or sneeze with your upper arm or elbow. This can help you and others stay healthy. I hope you had fun learning about COVID-19. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep washing your hands. Thanks for watching my video. You could like my video and push the subscribe button below and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.